Hey, Sean Michael Lewis, and today something very it really hits home for me because it was exactly a message I needed to hear several months ago, several years ago, as I grew my business, and even just getting more content out there now. Look, I started this 100 videos, 100 days because I was the person that bullshitted myself and said, hey, this is the way it is, and this is what we need to be doing, and really, just kind of wasn't taking the proper action step, or was taking some of the action steps, but being kind of hypocritical because wasn't being consistent following through with everything. So this is really a message directed toward you CEOs, executives, upper management at so many major companies because I'm looking at the analytics. I see you guys are watching these videos. I see you opening the email and re-clicking and going back. I don't care if you're the owner of a small $500,000 business or $1 billion brand. Look, you guys have a chance to make a huge impact, and nobody else is doing this. And I see very few people taking this lead, and it's awesome because a lot of the smaller guys and their visibility is just blowing up as well in their respective markets. But you got to understand, if you're reading this and you're reading it and you're going back and whether you like me or not, I don't really care. And it's not that I don't like any of you brands. I just don't want to see you miss the most amazing opportunity to build your business. Look, this is $1 billion times $1 billion industry, from mitigation, restoration, construction, everything. Why would you not take advantage? If I'm telling you right now, this is the perfect opportunity to double, triple, quadruple your business in the next 5, 10, 15 years, why would you even hesitate to get started? I mean, you have the money to do this. You have the income to go pay somebody $30,000, $40,000 a year to follow you around and document everything. This technology is so affordable right now. I'm shooting this right now on a very inexpensive camera that you can buy at your local Best Buy and get some basic equipment. Reach out to me. I would love for you to reach out to me and ask me, hey, how do we take that next step? What's the first thing I can do to make that? Because I would love to see any brand. Look, I love all you brands out there, okay? You all have your strengths, your weaknesses. It's just a fact of the matter. You guys have great people working for you. You've all done a lot of good things. Hence, you guys are successful businesses right now. But this is the one thing that is changing so fast and so rapidly. It's so important that you make sure you migrate and get in on it on the ground level. We're already kind of there. Is it just, look, it's not too late, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. You can start tomorrow. It doesn't have to be perfect. Reach out to me, ask questions. I'm here to help you if you have any questions, because I really care about this stuff, and it's not to make you feel like I'm putting down the industry or putting down people. I just want to see you guys take action and not be who I was. It took me so long to make those steps to get to that level of success and build traffic and following and just really that light bulb moment where everything starts to make sense. So if you guys have questions, reach out to me anytime. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day.